Good morning, all of you. My name is Ahilya Govardhan Narvate, class BSc Computer Science, second year, semester 3, division B, roll number 254, course title Data Structure Algorithm, college name Rajeshri Shahu Mahavidyalaya, Latur, Autonomous, presentation topic name Artificial Intelligence, and content introduction, history of artificial intelligence, why AI, limitation of human mind, application, advantages, disadvantages. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is a branch of science which deals with helping machines find solutions to complex problems in a more human-like fashion. This generally involves growing characteristics from human intelligence and applying them as History of AI. In 1941, first electronic computer technology finally available, and 1956 term artificial intelligence introduced, and 1980 quality control system, and 1980 first walking robot invented. Why AI? Computers are fundamentally well suited to perform mechanical computation using fixed programmed rules. This allows artificial machines to perform simple maintenance tasks efficiently and reliably, which humans are ill suited to all. Limitation of human mind. Object recognition. People cannot properly explain how they recognize object. Face recognition cannot to passed on to another person by explanation. Naming of colors based on learning, not on absolute standard. Application of AI, expert system, natural language processing, NLP, speech recognition, computer vision, robotics, speech recognition. The primary interactive method of communication used by human is not reading and writing. It is a speech. The goal of speech recognition research is to allow computer to understand human speech of that can hear our voice and recognize the words we are speaking. Robotics. A robotics is an electromechanical device that can be programmed to perform manual tasks, or a reprogrammable multifunctional. Many popular designed to move material, parts, tool, or specified device through variable programmed motions for performance of variety of tasks. And intelligence robot includes some kind of sensory apparatus. Computer vision. People generally use vision as their primary means of sensing their environment. We generally see more than we hear, feel, or smell or taste. The goal of computer vision research is to give computer this same powerful facility for understanding their surrounding. Here AI help computer why what they see. Advantages: improve efficiency, less room for error, takes risk instead of humans, always available, digital assistant, faster vision, faster division. Advantages of AI: high development cost, unemployment, makes human dependent, lack of outbox thinking, cold dominant human. Thank you.